Hello everyone, I'm Ilse Mergiers. I'm proud to say that I am a member of the MMM community. I stay in South Africa, White River, in the beautiful Mpumalanga area. On the 9th of November 2017, I PH'd 0.02 bitcoins, which I had to pay to a MMM member within 2 days of my PH. On the 31st of December 2017, I GH'd an amount of 1,300 Rand in bitcoins, which also includes several of my referral bonuses. I'm happy to say that I was paid in full only a few hours later. I would also like to thank Mr. Mabrodi and his team for having created MMM for us to use and work with. I really appreciate the efforts Mr. Mabrodi and his team have made to make this available to us, especially in bitcoins. I believe that with bitcoins, MMM is stronger than ever because anyone in the whole world can participate. I keep PHing and GHing on a regular basis so that everyone can profit from the system. I urge all members to PH again so that MMM can be as strong as ever. Together we are succeeding. Viva MMM!